perforates the left lung, heart, ribs, and exit on left side of back.
And what damage did gunshot wound A do?
It perforates lungs and heart, so it's deadly gunshot wound.
Very difficult testimony there. The sentencing trial for the Parkland school shooter continued today with first responders and the medical examiner who performed the autopsies on the victims taking a stand. The doctor described the gunshot wounds each of the victims received and what ultimately led to their deaths. NBC6's Willard Shepard joins us live from Fort Lauderdale with a closer look at what happened in court. And Willard, today families heard the names of their children read in court, talking about this tragic day and what happened.
Yeah, that's right, Joanna. Earlier during the course of the day, we heard from 3 law enforcement officers here who came forward to testify about what they saw on this horrific day back on Valentine's Day in 2018 when they entered the building. And these are the people that actually found the children, the students who had lost their lives, and some of their names were called out with their parents watching. The jury this week had already seen a surveillance video that showed the shooter arriving at the school and firing his assault rifle. A 15-minute video that will remain with anyone who saw it forever.
The call came out across our area in reference to a possible shooting at the high school.
Now police are giving their first-hand descriptions of the terror the shooter left behind.
We looked down the hallway and there was a child all the way at the very end. He was kind of like trying to raise his hand up.
The deputy said they rushed to the student and got him to the medic. The student lived to come and testify this week against the person who shot him.
Yeah, that was Anthony.
Anthony Borges, okay.
I responded to Building 1.
Friday, when Coral Springs Police Detective Dave Alphin took the witness stand, he described how he went into the 1200 building at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High and came upon 14-year-old Jamie Gutenberg. The prosecutor showed Alphin an image of that moment.
It shows me checking for vital signs on Jamie Gutenberg and the other officers covering the doors.
In the courtroom Friday, Jamie's father, Fred Gutenberg, listening to Detective Alphin.
I am over Jamie Gutenberg. Yes, I checked her vital signs for breath and for pulse. I found none, I checked several times. And then we held there for a moment, and Officer Schmidt and I heard a voice, we thought, coming from the hallway.
Okay. Then what did you guys do?
We cracked the door, confirmed that somebody in the hallway was asking for help, and we decided we were going to move into the hallway to go get them.
Detective Alphin also told the jury he came across Joaquin Oliver a short time later. In addition to the surveillance video, this week the jury heard a call to 911 and from witnesses describing the terror.
To see them and to hear them, I think, was very jarring.
With 1 week of the case completed, we asked Fort Lauderdale criminal defense attorney Richard Della Fera for his impression.
I think the prosecution has done a methodical job of going through the case chronologically, starting with the videos showing the shooter entering the building, then moving on to the students that witnessed the account, and then the students that were injured during the shooting.
Now, also this afternoon, after the medical examiner testified, we heard from a police forensics expert who actually showed the jurors in a plastic bag some of the ammunition magazines that Mr. Cruz had for his weapon when he went into the school. In terms of what is coming moving forward next week and beyond, the prosecution has indicated they think that they can really wrap up their side of the case in several weeks. Legal experts we're speaking with say that's moving at lightning speed. We're live at the courthouse in Fort Lauderdale. Willard Shepard, NBC6 News.